Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video we learn about how you can use Adobe Firefly, what is Adobe Firefly and what is generative AI and how we can make earning using this tool and which is totally free and it is a beta version. So let's start. And before starting our video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like to my videos. So let's start our video. First is what is generative AI? Generative AI is the artificial intelligence used to create images, content like text, images, music, audio, and videos. In simple words, you can make videos, you can make images, you can make text or illustration using a text, or you can say that the prompt of text inside the generative AI. And the generative AI use artificial intelligence to create all of the content which we need. So next question is it generative AI is real or fake or easily available? These are three different questions. Yes, generative AI is real and work absolutely fine. Nowadays, generative AI is totally free now and different tools are available, which is Adobe Firefly and this is the beta version and totally free. The other version like Midjourney, next website is Leonardo AI, which is also a free website. So our next question is what is Adobe Firefly? Adobe Firefly is the product of Adobe Creative Cloud and which use creative machine learning model to create our designs. Okay, next is how I can use the Adobe Firefly. Is it a purchased or free, or if free then how I can use it? So let's go to the window which is the Adobe Firefly window. You can see that this is my login account. You simply need a Google account and simply go to Adobe Firefly from the Google. You can open the link and firstly you can simply log into your Gmail account or create a Adobe account easily without any purchasing subscription and totally free account. And the next part is simply go to the Firefly beta. Click on this icon and you can see that there is a pop-up screen which shows me the four options. One is the text to image, next is the generative fill, then text effect, and the last is the generative free color. Next two option is in experimental, or you can say that this is in construction phase. First is sketch to image and this last one is the 3D to image. This is the best part. You can say that you can use it in few days or I think so in a few months. So first tool we use is the text to image tool. I simply open it on my second window or open it on my simple window. So this is our first tool is open text to image tool. I just want to create some patterns or I want to create some image or pictures or beach. I can easily create. I just want to create this type of image which is a pattern. So I simply click on it and you can see that this will automatically load the prompt of this image which is the spring cherry blossom in Japanese cut style. Line cut style or lino cut style I think so. This is the correct pronunciation. If I change a little bit, first I change the color in blue color. I simply type my text and hit generate. As you can see that this automatically changed my images into four different presets. These are all unique and different. You can use on your website and sell it on stock photography website as well. On the right side there is a panel of ratio, aspect ratio and which is 1:1 and you can change aspect ratio according to your design. I normally use a wide screen which is 16:9. This is the normal screen which is used to sell images on different stock websites. And the second option is the content type. This is none, photo, graphics or art. I simply click on art because I need some artistic touch in my image, so I select the art option. Next is the style, which is the movement, theme or technique. I simply use a popular one which is already give me the best result. And next is the popular in the is digital art and you can say neon. You can also make a neon image. I simply select the neon and hit generate, or you can say that hit generate button. As you can see that I select first option is the ratio, next is the content type, hit then style. In style I select the neon and theme, color tone. lightning and composition. These are again three different options you can choose according to your design. I just need a composition with a close up. So I simply select the composition, close up, and then again hit generate. So as you can see that this automatically create my 4 preset images, and I can simply download each of them by simply click on this and go to the top right corner and hit download, or I can save to my favorites, or there is a 3 button option which has 3 option. Copy to clipboard, open in Adobe Express and submit to Firefly gallery. Open in Express. Adobe Express is another tool which you can use to remove backgrounds or edit backgrounds, and this is a super easy and totally again a free tool to edit your images and scale up, and even you can some different effects on your images just like a Photoshop. And you can say that this is submit to Adobe, you can submit to Firefly. Simply click on it, and this is the criteria, and then hit OK. This image is automatically submit to my gallery. Okay, next image is if I want to download this image, I simply go to the top right corner and edit and click download button. This image will automatically download onto my computer system. I simply click on my website, and this you can see that this is the image I got from Adobe Firefly. This is the logo or emblem that shows image cannot be used for commercial use. So you can use it by removing this label and upload on your stock website. But remember, don't use different person image. You must use your own created or generated images. So next tool is the Generative AI. I simply click on Generative AI. You can see that you create your image using a Generative AI. This tool will help you to make your image large in size, or you can remove your background, or you can change your background just like this image. You can try it. I simply click on this image, try example, and there is 5 options on the bottom. First is add, subtract, setting, background. I just click on background and wait for it. You can see that this automatically remove my background, and then I simply click on type text area and say that I want a sky background with sunset. Okay, let's see what result we get from this tool, and hit generate button. Wait for some time. As you can see, this tool give me 3 presets. One is this one, another is this one, and third is this one. I think so both 3 presets are pretty good, but I go for another 3 preset. For that, you can click on more button. You can click infinite times and make presets without any hesitation. And if you like any of the preset, you can simply download that preset and again hit more for more images. So I think so this looks pretty good. I simply click on the top right corner download button, and you can see that the image is automatically downloading. And then I make some another presets. I simply click on the more icon, or you can see that more button, and this will also make 3 more presets, and you can use these presets on your design, on your social media design, or you can use it on your Facebook or other application as well. So let's go to the next tool, which is the text effect. I simply click on text effect. As you can see that there is a preset bundle of presets. You can see the H word with the rubber balls. You can see that there is a L shape with pizza and much more. You can see that the electric wire, bundle of electric wires. I simply select this one for my practice image. Okay, now you can see that there is a 4 preset given by this tool, which is the bundle of colorful electric wire. If I change this to bundle of colorful, I can see that headphone, bundle of colorful headphones. So let's see what happened with my image. Okay, this will give a pretty good result. You can see that the option is already selected. There is a 4 presets which is available. Then you can download the image again, go to the top right corner of my image and then hit again download button. And you can change the text as well. I simply type my name, which is Salman, and you can see that the text is changed according to my design or my style. I simply make a capital A for my design, and there is some options available on the right side of the screen, which is the sample prompt. You can see that flower, snake, and other textures, and there is a match shape. You can choose a match shape as a medium, tight, and loose. There is a font type available. There is a 6 font type available. You can use one of them. I simply I click on my font type and automatically change the font style as well. And there is a color palette. You can use it. On default they use a blue and kind of gray color. I simply use a white color with a red shape. So you can see that my design is totally changed, and these 4 options you can use and make your text effect more beautiful and creative. You can simply download, save, and again save on your Firefly gallery as well. Okay, next and the last tool is the generative recolor. In this tool you can change your color without any effort and simply upload your SVG file. What is the SVG file? If we Google it, what is the SVG file? What is SVG file? Okay, now you can see that in simple word, SVG file are the vector based file. You can use it on the XML based vector file, and you can use it on your website, or you can use it on your vector design as well without losing your quality image. Okay, now I simply select this image. This is the try image. You can upload your own SVG file and make changes according to your requirement. I simply select this one, and there is again show me 4 presets which I can use easily. If I change the text at the bottom of my screen and type it, you can say that summer colors. Okay, now let's see what result comes from Adobe Firefly. Okay, this result show me this is good and interesting. And again, there is option on the right side. This is sample prompt. You can use it as well. There is a harmony which you can use it. This is the presets of colors. The complementary, tried, and square. I just use a square, and then I just use I think so this must be a complementary color is the best option. And next you can choose your own color. I simply choose the yellow color, and then I choose red color, and then I choose the white color. I hope so this will change little bit in my design. And if I remove this and then again I simply type color K and then hit OK. As you can see that this is the image, and you can again download the image. On the image panel you can see the color. You can use it on your design, and again you can shuffle the colors, and then there's a 3 options: save to clipboard, and again download option, which you can easily download and use it on your design. This is the SVG file given by the Adobe Firefly. I hope this video helped a lot. This is the 4 main options, or you can see that 4 main tools given by Adobe Firefly, and which is totally free at this time. I hope this video will help to make different type of images, text, and you can say that your color palette. In the next video we will discuss another problem with another solution. Till then, Allah Hafiz.